The untold secrets of jackfruit, nature's giant gift for health and beyond in the heart of a tropical forest, where the sun filters through lush green leaves and the air smells of sweetness and soil, grows one of nature's most extraordinary fruits, the jackfruit, known as the largest tree-borne fruit in the world. Jackfruit isn't just a wonder because of its size or unusual appearance. This giant green fruit with thorny skin holds a treasure trove of nutrients, healing properties, and cultural significance that many still overlook. Its story, both ancient and evolving, is one that can transform how we think about food and health. This means it plays a vital role in digestion, aiding smooth bowel movements, preventing constipation, and feeding the healthy bacteria in your gut. A balanced gut microbiome is now linked to everything from strong immunity to stable mental health, and jackfruit helps maintain that balance naturally. Long before modern science turned its attention toward plant-based diets and natural healing, ancient communities in South and Southeast Asia were already cultivating and using jackfruit, not just as a food, but as a powerful ally in wellness. However, jackfruit has a surprisingly low glycemic index compared to other fruits, meaning it doesn't cause rapid spikes in blood sugar. It's a step toward a future where food becomes part of the treatment, not the problem. Its high fiber content slows down the absorption of sugar, making it a smart option for people who need to control their glucose levels. The fiber content also supports detoxification by promoting regular elimination of waste from the body. In countries like India, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and Indonesia, jackfruit trees were more than just providers of fruit. They were family legacies. Every part of the jackfruit tree, from its bark to its seeds, had a purpose. By lowering high blood pressure, reducing bad cholesterol, and easing tension in blood vessels, potassium reduces the risk of heart attacks and strokes. Jackfruit also contains antioxidants like flavonoids and carotenoids, which help fight oxidative stress, a key contributor to heart disease. And at the center of it all, the fruit itself held the power to nourish, heal, and even save lives in times of scarcity. Let us open up the giant green shell and dive into the real benefits, starting with its impact on health. A giant for gut health, but it doesn't stop there. The fruit also contains compounds that have antimicrobial and antifungal properties, offering an extra layer of natural defense. Its high fiber content makes it extremely filling, helping reduce overall calorie intake by keeping hunger at bay for longer periods. When unripe, its texture mimics pulled pork or chicken, making it a tasty, plant-based option for weight-conscious individuals who don't want to compromise on flavor or satiety. It also provides a decent amount of protein, rare for a fruit, making it a powerful tool for those trying to lose weight or build lean muscle. The antioxidants and vitamins in jackfruit help fight the free radicals that damage skin cells and accelerate aging. In the Philippines, sweet jackfruit is cooked into desserts. In Sri Lanka, the fruit is preserved and stored to be eaten during off-season. In Bangladesh, jackfruit is the national fruit, a symbol of abundance. Eating jackfruit regularly can help improve skin elasticity, reduce wrinkles, and give your face a healthy, youthful glow. Even the sticky latex from its bark is used traditionally to fix broken tools and, in some cases, to trap birds. Jackfruit is incredibly rich in both soluble and insoluble fiber. Inside is a whole world of benefits waiting to be explored. It grows in poor soil, requires little maintenance, and produces high yields, offering a solution to global food security concerns. Its rise in the West as a vegan meat alternative is only a fraction of its full story. It nourishes, heals, protects, and brings people together across cultures and continents. For people suffering from digestive issues, bloating, or irregularity, incorporating jackfruit into their diet can bring remarkable improvement without relying on artificial supplements or laxatives. Balancing blood sugar levels. One of the biggest misconceptions is that tropical fruits like jackfruit are bad for people with diabetes. Recent studies have even shown that jackfruit flour, when used in place of refined flour, significantly helps reduce post-meal blood sugar in diabetic individuals. Heart health's natural protector, potassium, is one of jackfruit's most abundant minerals, and it plays a crucial role in maintaining a healthy heart. With a consistent intake of jackfruit in a balanced diet, people can protect themselves from some of the biggest silent killers in modern society. Boosts immunity with every bite. Jackfruit is loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens your immune system and helps your body fight off infections and illnesses. In the post-pandemic world, where immune resilience is more important than ever, fruits like jackfruit are being rediscovered as essential dietary heroes. Skin and aging. A natural glow from within. There's a reason why jackfruit is often used in homemade skincare masks across Asia. The seeds, often overlooked, contain protein and micronutrients that support cell regeneration and improve overall skin texture when consumed or used externally. Weight management made delicious, though sweet and satisfying. Jackfruit is relatively low in calories and fat. Jackfruit has even gained attention in the vegan and vegetarian world as a meat substitute. Beyond health, cultural and culinary richness. Once you understand the nutritional and health benefits, you begin to realize that jackfruit is more than just food. It's tradition, survival, and flavor. In South Indian kitchens, jackfruit curry is a delicacy passed down through generations. Its seeds are roasted and eaten like chestnuts. The wood of the jackfruit tree is prized for building furniture and musical instruments. As the world slowly wakes up to climate change and the need for sustainable, drought-resistant crops, jackfruit is being seen as a miracle fruit, a fruit of the future in many ways. Jackfruit is a fruit ahead of its time. It teaches us that sometimes the most powerful medicines don't come in a bottle, they hang quietly from trees, wrapped in green armor, waiting for someone to unlock their magic. So, the next time you see a jackfruit at the market, don't walk past it.